Now I'm sitting in the seat to control the tractor. Here's the steering wheel and the levers to control it, a seat belt to stay safe. Let's check out the other parts. Here, you've got a little wheel. In the front and in the back, there's a bigger wheel. Bigger wheels are useful for getting through bigger piles of dirt and stuff. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. That means that each of the 4 wheels have power to turn. If you're driving on rough terrain, it's really good to have 4-wheel drive.